Yo, what's going on everyone, my name is Obzherve and today we have another video on my new Valorant channel. So today I'm going to be giving you tips on how you can improve at Valorant and how to be prepared for the release during the closed beta. So if you do not have the closed beta, I will leave a link in the description down below on how you can get it as fast as possible. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first tip I'm going to give you, one of the most important ones there are, pick one or two favourite characters and get knowledge of all the abilities. The abilities is something new. If you're a CSGO player and you move to Valorant, then it's definitely something new. It's more of a Overwatch style thing. But yeah, so once you get into the game, make sure and pick one or two of your favourite characters. I say two because you're not always going to get your main character if someone else chooses it, for example. Obviously only one guy can be each character. So yeah, so the character I chose was Sova so far, and basically what I done was I went into the practice arena and tried all my abilities to get a hang of them before I jumped into a game. So the first two abilities that show on the bottom of your screen, all your abilities will be there. The first two abilities that show have to be bought at the beginning. So when you buy your guns and stuff, you have to spend money that you get throughout the rounds on buying your first two abilities. And to get your ultimate ability, you get 6 points from kills and orbs around the map. You're also given a point at every round for free at the start of every round. So you have to get the 6 points and then you get your ultimate ability. So the second tip I have for you guys is to improve your aim. Basically, I've been a controller player all my life and I've never had experience with mouse aim. I've never mained a game on mouse and keyboard before Valorant. So yeah, it's been a struggle for me to get used to the mouse aim, but I've improved it very fast, and the tips I'm about to mention are the best way you can get used to the mouse aim on Valorant. So the best tip I can give is to practice. Download Kovacs, get the right sensitivity, and spend hours at a time playing Kovacs to not only improve your aim but your reactions as well. Kovacs it's a software on Steam. It's very cheap. It was like, I think it cost me like £3. It might have went up now. It's like, I think the most it goes is £8, but it's just an aim trainer basically, and it helps in so many different ways. Probably the best tip I can give for aim. Another thing I want to mention is to always aim head height while walking and holding corners, as headshots will always do more damage in games like Valorant and CSGO. Hitting their head is the best and fastest way you can ever kill someone in this game, so I highly recommend always holding corners at head height. Also, if you have like a rapid fire AR, to mainly tap shoot so your recoil is at low, because if you spray the weapon, your recoil will go mad and you'll hit less shots. Okay, so moving on to tip 3, one of the best tips I can give is to basically just watch other players play. So instead of just watching the streamers to get your beta code, actually watch them and get a hang of what they're doing. Watch what they do, watch every single thing, every single move they make gives a big impact on the gameplay and what happens in the round. So make sure and pick a good Valorant player or a previous CSGO pro or something like that, so you can get an idea of the best things to do in Valorant. Okay, so for tip 4, we have got good map knowledge. Like CSGO, this game's really about patience, aim and reactions. There are only 2 maps in the game currently, so make sure and try different spots and see what you like while playing your first few games, because I've seen a few people just run the same direction every game. You want to get used to the map before you properly get into it, because once you get used to the map, you'll get the right peaks, you'll know where to aim, etc. So the 5th and final tip I can give is basically to find good teammates. Make sure your teammates can call out what's going on and basically know what they are doing. Obviously everyone's new to the game, so no one's going to be amazing at it yet, but just as long as you can get teammates who actually are going to try their best to do well and won't run about trolling. And one more thing I want to mention is to make sure and just have fun while playing. Forcing yourself to play won't improve, so you won't improve. So if you want a break, take a break and just enjoy the game, because in the end you're not going to become good if you don't enjoy it. So that's basically it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy, make sure and leave a comment and like the video, and also make sure to subscribe for more Valorant content. If you have any questions, make sure and drop them down below and I will 100% will reply to them. And yeah, so that's it. Make sure and check out my socials as well. Thank you for watching. See you guys later.